Get it, boy. Get it, boy. My cousin trying to ride a dirt bike. He's not really good at it. I'm kidding, he's the best. He's probably better than me at it. What's that for you? Bye, Chance. It's been 48 seconds. Hey there.
Hey, Hunter.
I gotta catch up with them boys. I didn't really feel like running. If he runs me over with a car. Keeper, I bet Chance spent 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Hey guys, I'm sorry for not posting for like a half of a year. I just don't know what real videos to post. I decided to post my cousin riding a dirt bike. Faster. I'd probably go faster on a dirt bike. I'm kidding. He's better than me at it. Hey, Chance, we'll do it exactly 5 minutes. Exactly 5 minutes long. Actually, no, I'm gonna tell him. We should stop it. It's in 3 minutes in. I could run, but I don't really like running. Because I'm really tall. I'm pretty tall for my age. I'm an 11. I'm a 12. I don't know what I did. Oh, frick, I was tripped. Hi there. I'm chewing gum, by the way, so that's why I can't talk really. I can't talk a bit. I'm sorry if you hear chewing. Hey, Chance. It's been 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Do you want to end it?
No.
What?
So guys, this is gonna be a very good dirt bike ride because I'm gonna go as fast as you can go now. Hunter, move.
It's not charged all the way. It's not charged all the way, so it might not go as fast. It's not gonna be 30 minutes. Nobody's gonna watch it for that long. Nobody's gonna watch a video for 30 minutes. How about we do a 10-minute video? That'd be perfect.
You're just walking and I'm like a crazy dude in a dirt bike and acts like I stole it.
What?
Acts like I'm a crazy dude in a dirt bike and I like stole yours.
Her-
Like delete that video. And then like it's like I stole your dirt bike and you're chasing me to get it back.
I'm gonna chase you?
Yeah, kinda. No, you're just gonna think like, is that my dirt bike that this one guy stole?
How much battery is on that thing? You don't know?
Gonna open the gas. Is that where you charge it?
I don't know.
You just plug it up.
Yeah, I think it's on the side or something.
Act like you,
How about we do an 8-minute video?
how about you actually, wait, are you still recording?
Yeah.